Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Right here the weather is very sunny, as you can see. But just to continue from where we stopped in the last video, which I know that you really enjoyed, at least you learned one or two things from the video. Today we want to talk about the next point, which is all about defining a problem. So in our last video we talked about how you can locate a problem, how you can make that problem you're looking for visible, because sometimes some people look but they cannot see. But if your attention is pointed towards the right direction, you'll be able to see what you want to see. So today we want to look at the other step, which is how to define a problem. Now when you're talking about defining a problem, you're not talking about definition in the make sense, or you're talking about how you can weigh the problem if actually the problem suits your skill. Because when you're trying to solve a particular thing, you must be sure that you're very good at it. So you must look at the problem. Is it a problem that you really have an idea about? Because it's one thing to start, it's another thing to finish. You will not want to start something and stop it halfway. It's just like not doing anything. So first of all, by defining the problem, you have to look at your skills, what you are good at. So if you are good at what you want to do, then you go ahead and tackle the problem head on. It will surprise you to see that you will be able to solve the stuff without without wasting much time. So I want you to analyze the problem, look at your capacity. Now in terms of fund and monetary issues, what you have, will it be okay for you to kickstart the project, or will you need support from others? Don't hesitate to ask for support whenever you meet a hit, because this is where most people fail. They've started a project and because of one thing or the other they cannot get through, they just back out. I won't want you to back out. Whenever you locate a problem, tackle it heads on. That's what makes you a hero. So when you tackle the problem and you show that your problem is defined, that is when you will be able to progress to the next step. So for the meantime, I want you to know that there's nothing bigger than you not to do. Everything you see around you is within your capacity to do it, if actually you want to do it. Now people say a willing heart finds 1,000 ways, but unwilling hearts find 1,000 excuses. So I want you to find thousands ways and thousands reasons why you have to execute the project head on. If you are new to my channel, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Just press the subscribe button below the video and you will be able to get the notifications on new videos that comes in. Now another step that you're going to consider today, after defining your problem, is for you to know your enemies. Now when you're talking about enemies, it's not about someone that wants to kill you or hurt you. You're talking about your fellow competitors in this particular business, because odds are that before you even came up with this idea, there are some people that have tried this particular step before. So you need to find them and see where they failed and the reason why they failed. Now you can use this particular thing as a very good weapon in order to avoid such pitfalls in executing your project. So look at where they failed, look at where they made all these hold up, they couldn't continue, their business come crashing, they couldn't execute their project. Now by so knowing all these things, it will put you on the right path for you to be able to start and execute your projects fluently without any hit. So you don't have to lie back because other people are already in the business or other people are trying to execute the project. You just have to believe in yourself. Nobody will believe in you if you don't believe yourself. So now you have to know that you've got to tackle this problem heads on. It's okay for you to have competitors, so you have to look at the aspects they are lacking, the weak points, and use that particular weak point against them. Now this is how you're going to win in this competitive market. Now the world definitely is a competitive place, so you have to put your strategy in place that will enable you to outsmart your fellow competitors. By so doing, you will be on your way to being on the billionaires list. Another step you're going to consider is building your story. Now building your story is one aspect that will enable you to sell. Now, put before publishing or executing a project, or before telling your friend or partners or network partners about your project, you should be able to build a storyline that will entice them. Because some of our people will come up to ask you, how did you get through it? Because there are so many that came, try to execute this particular project, they were unable to get through it. How did you do it? Now you should be able to put your story in such a manner that they will be able to listen to it time without number, and they will never get tired of it. Put your storyline in a way that is captivating and enticing, that everybody wants to hear it over and over and over again. This will enable to put you on the path of success, to be on the list of the next millionaires. The last but not the least step is you must keep on striving. Now, it is pertinent for you to know that once you are able to solve a particular problem, another one will come. I cannot really assure you that you are going to get through these things easily, but there are challenges that will come. These challenges does not come to stop you, but they are coming to make you stronger, more knowledgeable in the field. So no matter how it is, you must keep striving. Now, even though you are successful in executing the project that you wanted to execute, now you have to get on with it. Keep on looking for new ideas, looking for new ways in order to get better in the market. I want to tell you, the reason why some people fail is because when they get to the top, they become relaxed. They feel they're on top, nobody can overthrow them. That's why before they knew, they would just be left in the mud. So I wouldn't want you to be a victim of such. That's why I'm urging you, whenever you succeed, you get to that age that you've always been looking for, don't stop there. Keep on fighting for more, because there are so more opportunities and more ideas that the world is yet to see. So be that superhero that will bring revelation to the world in the aspect that people really want to see, and by so doing, you will be on the list of the next billionaires. Now, this is the simple truth that most millionaires does not tell you, because it is right the cradle. It is the basic step that you need to take. Without you executing these steps that we have just discussed, it will be impossible for you to become wealthy. You don't sit down at the comfort of your home and become wealthy. You don't work 8 to 4 every day and become wealthy. Before you become wealthy, you must solve a problem, a pressing need in your society and in your neighborhood. So be that man that is going to be on the next list of the world's millionaires. Don't sit down there. Just go out and do it. Go out and do it. You can do it. If others can do it, that means you can do it. So I want you to subscribe to my channel, and also like and share with friends so that they will also get the knowledge you've gained. Please let this video be a video that will make you to stand out of your comfort zone and go out there and make a difference. Thank you, and have a nice day.